Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing a new platform called QR CROC. This tool is described as the world's first AI QR code creation platform designed to turn QR scans into real customers and sales. It allows you to create visually attractive QR codes, connect them to high converting landing pages, lead forms, menus, or profiles, and even use it as a monetization system for businesses or agencies. So instead of basic QR codes, this platform focuses on creating QR campaigns that actually generate leads and revenue. Now, if you decide to get QR CROC through my link, I'm also including a huge bonus package. For example, you'll get FaceMorph AI Studio, which lets you create realistic face swaps for photos and videos, Rapid Landing AI Builder to create high converting landing pages instantly, VoiceCast AI Studio for generating professional voiceovers, and Image Boost AI Enhancer to improve image quality automatically. And that's just a small part of the bonuses included. If you want to see the complete list of all bonuses, click the link in the video description below. Now let's jump into the full demo of QR CROC so you can see exactly how it works.
Hey, so before you read down this page about all the awesome bonuses, you've obviously had information from the email that sent you to this very page. I want to be able to share with you something very, very, very exciting. Now, as you see this image here, many of you will guess it's a QR code. This is just one element of what QR CROC is. Okay, you had some information in the email, but I want to share just some examples, and they're all scannable. A mountain, a waterfall, some sneakers as you call it in America, or trainers as we say in the UK, Christmas tree, seaside village, a glass of red wine, pizza, palm tree. As you can see, they're very cool stuff, right? And they're all scannable. Some artwork, a purse, mushrooms, the world, flowers, this love heart. So imagine for all of those of you who have your own business, just how you can stand out with this. And also remember that if you do printables, you can add your very own custom QR codes with AI inside your books, your magazines, whatever you do. Even on the covers of stuff, you can put it on TV channels, YouTube channels. If you have banners, flyers, if you go to any kind of conferences and have business cards that you want to print off, or you can also, there's two licenses with this, which is, I'm actually giving the Chomp license, which is the agency license. And I also have training, which is going to be teaching you, and don't tell anyone else this, okay? Please do not. I have training coming up, as you can see this, the secret QR agency profit formula, where I'm going to be teaching you how to basically sell your own printables very easily, like business cards, flyers, and so on and so forth, and it's all done for you. So this is just part of the training. I just wanted to show you a quick preview of the presentation that we have, but it is an automated way of hands-free being able to have lower cost printing so you can add on for profits. It's going to be amazing training that's going to help everyone out. Now, as you can see from the images, they're very cool and they work. They are scannable. People think they're art in a way, and they are. They're just an artistic QR code. We also have another process in the platform here. So I have looked on the bottom right of the video, state agency. I'm just going to hit send. Fantastic. A real estate agency can really benefit from a stylish QR code. For your business, I suggest a realtor shape for your QR code. Does that sound good to you? Yes. Awesome. Next, I recommend using a deep blue color for your QR code. Blue is often associated with trust and professionalism in real estate. Perfect. Great choice. Now, could you provide with the website? So https facebook.com. This is an example, obviously. So it's created, as you can see here. I'm going to download it. I'll download it in 4K. So as you can see, it's created a QR code just like this. So that's just one way. Obviously, like I say, if I go to create here, You can have all kinds of stuff, okay? This isn't just a basic QR code creation machine. You can even have restaurant menus or menus in general. So you can create your own menu inside here, and then it obviously goes through the design and so on and so forth. There is a bunch of stuff that you can do with this, and it's absolutely phenomenal. So if I go dynamic URL, https facebook.com, next, I can do different things, okay? So obviously I can build my own QR code with different shapes, add logos, I can have labels and such as well, like this. I can also change the finders, which is in the corners here. I can change the shapes, but remember it does say QR code may not be scannable due to complex shapes. So you like obviously don't go too wild with everything. Nice and clean and clear, and it'll work wonderfully. But you can play around with it, test to see if it scans, and if it does, then you're onto a winner. You can change the colors, you can change the eye color, you can do all kinds of weird and wonderful great stuff with this. But the power is over here underneath create with AI. Now if I write my imagination and I just put love heart, and then I'm going to choose version 4 real, and then it gets to work. Now obviously because it's AI, it has to figure out what the QR code is, how it looks, and then get to work itself. I've never actually edited a QR code and done it this way, so I'm interested myself to see if it will look at this QR code that we've made and try and formulate a way to create a love heart QR code. It may not work like that, but obviously because it's me just playing around with this and showing you, it's kind of fun to see. So it's generated it, and that was pretty quick, right? So that isn't the greatest, obviously. So what I'll actually do is I'll go to here. I'm going to start again and go next. In fact, that's the existing one. That's why I edited it. This is it. So dynamic URL, https facebook.com. Next, create with AI, love heart. So I'm going to go for Vision 4 Real again. And these are like realistic ones. There will be some changes made to this. We're launching July the 9th. Nobody's seen this. Nobody's had access to this. You're the first people to see this. And for those of you who take action, buy the front end and buy the bundle, you will get every single product that we have related to this, which we are absolutely knocking it out the park with this. You can make stores with this. You can make landing pages with this. You can make, obviously, menus with this. You can make all kinds of stuff. So Love Heart wasn't the best, but what we do then is we just generate it again. And with what we're actually working on here and creating is a way for you to be able to deliver so many different opportunities. Like I say, like the agency to build your own business. Put them on your books, put them on TV channels, on YouTube channels, because over 100 million people watch on YouTube, by the way. You can do all kinds of stuff with this. And as you can see, now we have our Love Heart one. I always get my phone out on my camera. I scanned it. Opened up Facebook beautifully. So there we have a working QR code, which pretty much took seconds. You can add things to it, not that you really want to, but you could add a sticker on it if you wanted to. Like Scan Me, for example. You can even have stuff like this, like the one that I'm showing you now. We can't edit it with that one. But as you can see, the text here, on this part here, you can edit as you obviously work through it. But it's really easy. You can show stats, so there's analytics, use a template as well, but you can save it as a template for the future, which is really cool. There's a bunch of stuff, like I say, though. So if I go back, I'm just going to go to next so it saves it. You can download it as an SVG or a PNG. You can change the type, etc., etc. But if I go back and then I go to create again, you can see here you can do bio links. You can even create V cards, resumes, events, all kinds of stuff. This is going to be included. Now remember, this is what is created at the end of it all. These kinds of QRs, which I think are amazing. These aren't something that just are going to be used by normal businesses. The big businesses want to use it as well. And you definitely stand out like never before, like I say. Pizza shop. Someone who has an off license, or a liquor store as you guys call it. Someone who has a travel blog, or has a travel magazine, or a hotel, or an estate agency. It's coming up to Christmas. Nike, for example, you can actually sell to these people. There is a bunch of wonderful, wonderful QR codes that you can make, and these were all done as you've seen in the same process. So this is included. You also get a way which you can sell on Amazon, hundreds of QR codes automatically, or it's automated for you. So automatically the QR codes are created so you can sell them in bulk to people. We have people doing that already, selling online. So this is included when you buy the front end and the bundle. I am giving you early access to this product right here, plus all the upsells that are attached to it as well. Okay, so take action. Right now we're number 3 on the leaderboard for the best promotion of the product that I'm promoting right now, and it's down to you guys who've helped me so far, and those of you who are going to, so thank you for that. The product, Kids Book AI, is phenomenal as well. Imagine being able to print off books and put these kinds of QR codes on there, or lead people to your online QR codes, for example. It's immense. So I just wanted to share this with you and share my excitement. So I will see you on the other side. Check out the bonuses below on this page. Like I say in the email, there is a heap. There's also the vendor. I persuaded him to provide his last product that he created with you. So with that, if you buy the OTO1, you'll get the OTO1. After that, if you choose, or the front end, sorry, if you buy the upsell OTO1, then you get the equivalent of his other product, that OTO1. Or if you buy the fast pass, then you get everything, and obviously with the fast pass you get the fast pass of the product that he has provided as well, and you get this product from me as well, which I'm really excited to. Obviously then when you purchase and you've bought the fast pass, this is fast pass only, like I say, because I'm incentivizing for this. All the other bonuses that I mentioned are very clear on the page. You get those for taking action, so you get those just for the front end, but for the actual product to product kind of equivalent that the provider is given, whatever you buy they will match. But when you buy the fast pass, the bundle, you get my whole product, which I am launching on July the 9th. And the value of that is over $450 on its own. Nobody has ever done this before. It's an AI art creation QR code system with a helper as well that helps you make different QR codes as well. Enjoy.